If you're a Pilates student or a Pilates teacher, you know that sometimes injuries happen, that there are times where you or your student will come to class dealing with some sort of minor injury. Full disclosure, always get a doctor's approval to come to class, but once you have that, once your doctor clears you for working out, sometimes there are times where you will show up to class or your student will show up to class dealing with some sort of injury. So what do? You work around it. But what does that mean? So let's say you have a student who has been away from class for a while. They've been dealing with some illness, injury, and they're starting over basically. So what you want to do is not rush the process. You want to really focus on the scooping the belly in and up. Good. And then once they have that, you can add on to that. Now, they may need to keep their head down for some of the exercises, and that's totally fine. They can keep their head down for most of the exercises. But if they do, you want to scoop your belly in and up, or have them scoop their belly in and up even more. You really want to build up the strength here so that they get stronger so that they can start lifting their head up for more of the exercises. Or if you have a client with a shoulder injury, you can take out some of the shoulder movements. The 100 where you pump your arms up and down can be pumped with the legs. You can make adjustments and modifications based on your student. For the student with a shoulder injury, for even rolling like a ball, if that bothers their shoulder, their neck, or their upper back, you can just balance. So bring your heels towards your hips, knees towards your shoulders, elbows up, shoulder blades drop down, scoop your belly in, balance a little bit further back behind your tailbone where it's a little difficult to hold on. Good. This is just as hard as rolling. So these are options for if your student is dealing with a shoulder injury or any kind of injury, make the modifications, work around the injury, and still give them a good workout.